Here's how easy it is to set up your Kreg Jig R3 to drill perfectly placed pocket holes. First, you need to check the thickness of your material. In the case of these 1x4s, the actual thickness is 3/4 of an inch. Once you know your material thickness, you can set the sliders on the jig to match. Just move them until the thickness you need aligns with the arrows on the underside of the R3. With the jig set, now you need to set up your drill bit. That's easy too. There's a guide built into the case. Just slide the drill bit in, move the stop collar until it aligns with the thickness that you need, and then tighten it down. Now you're all set to drill pocket holes at the perfect depth. Once you're done drilling, there's just one thing left to do, and that's choose the correct screw for your material thickness using the guide in the owner's manual.
The Center Finder by Milescraft. The Center Finder will quickly and accurately mark center lines or offsets for shelving, cabinetry, dowelwork, door casing, window trim, and much more. Insert a standard number 2 pencil into its center hole. Place a board between its 2 posts. Rotate firmly and scribe a perfectly centered line. It can mark the face or edge of any board up to 2.5 inches thick. Its offset notches are in 1/16 inch increments, allowing casing and trim reveals up to 5/8 of an inch. The metric model 8458 has 1mm offsets up to 20mm and can mark a center line on boards up to 65mm thick. When finished, conveniently store it on any metal surface with its built-in rare earth magnet. The Center Finder will help you center and offset your projects faster and with perfect precision.
The PTL 250M 10-inch torpedo level has 3 vials for measuring 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 180 degrees, accurate to 0.5 millimeters. The magnetic base holds it in place, while its rubber end caps help protect it from impacts. The PSL 250M 10-inch scaffold level is a heavy-duty aluminum body level that encases 3 easy-to-view vials, a magnetic base, and the ability to level at 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 180 degrees with sharp 0.5 millimeter accuracy. The PPL 250M Pro scaffold level has 2 easy-to-view vials accurate to 0.5 millimeters. Its 10-inch aluminum construction and magnetic base make it perfect for working with steel for 90-degree and 180-degree viewing, and is designed for every job with a 45-degree slant on one end and a 30-degree slant on the other. The PTD 600 and the PTD 600V 24-inch digital levels are both heavy-duty aluminum body levels, each with easy-to-view vials for a sharp 0.5 millimeter accuracy. A built-in backlit display allows for quick and easy slope angle measurements and automatically flips when the level is turned upside down. The PTD 600V comes with Verticite, a dual view feature which allows for precise leveling from any angle with no straining. These digital levels are perfect when working with stairs and slope angle measurements. The Preciso Spirit levels each have 3 easy-to-view vials, a 90-degree bubble on each end, as well as a 180-degree bubble in the center, each accurate to 0.5 millimeters. Their V-groove magnetic base make them ideal for pipework, and their anti-shock gel capped ends give an added layer of protection from impacts. The anti-shock Spirit levels come in a variety of sizes to fit any application. The Preciso box beam levels boast a 5 times stronger construction. The block vials provide the strongest durability, with an increased accuracy to an incredibly sharp 0.4 millimeters. Getting an accurate read is easy, with the 90-degree viewing vials on each end. Plus, the center 180-degree vial is magnified within a die cast holder for the best protection and accuracy available.
The most reliable way to get gap-free fitting in your woodwork is by trying our Saker multifunction scribing tool. With the Saker scribing tool, you can achieve professional precision in your woodwork for any type of fitting. The tool changes shape by a simple adjustment and locks into place for the most reliable scribing, especially for awkward and complicated edges. Its uniquely designed trouser belt clip makes it easy to carry and store. Save time and level up your woodworking with 15 marking applications in one tool. And it's not just for wood. The pencil can mark on plastic, ceramics, and even metal. You won't sweat it with Saker.
Strap clamps apply even pressure around both regular and oddly shaped parts. Bessey's VAS-23 strap clamps are specifically designed for ease of use and versatility. On opening the package, you'll find a crank handle, 4 variable angle swivel pads, and the body of the strap clamp. The crank handle can be fitted to either side of the clamp body, allowing you to use it the way you prefer. The 23-foot strap extends easily by simply pulling it out of the body, and retracts just as quickly using the crank handle. The strap is always neatly and conveniently stored within the body of the clamp. The strap can exert up to 1,100 pounds of force across your project. But there are times when you'll want to apply the force to a specific location. The variable angle swivel pads allow you to do exactly that. When needed, they attach quickly and easily to the strap, allowing you to position them where needed without falling off. They'll direct the clamping pressure exactly where needed and keep the strap out of any glue that happens to squeeze out of the joint. The pads can swivel between 60 and 180 degrees, allowing them to work over a wide range of curves and angles. Bessey's VAS-23 strap clamp, combined with the swivel pads, is the perfect solution when you need to apply even pressure to 4 corners at the same time, such as clamping up drawer boxes or mitered picture frames. With the strap in place, slack is taken up by using the crank, and final tightening is accomplished by twisting the handle. All the joints are drawn together at the same time and with the same pressure, helping to keep your project square. And if your work tends to run to more than 4 corners, you can order an additional 6 pads. Just ask for the VAC6. Of course, you can use the VAS-23 without the clamp pads. Even complex assemblies with many joints can be quickly clamped up, with the strap clamp applying even pressure all the way around, keeping the parts aligned properly as they dry. The VAS-23 strap clamp quickly and easily allows you to put the pressure you want, where you want it, and in situations that rigid clamps simply can't handle.
Tape measures have changed a lot over the years. We should know. We made those changes. We made them fit the tool belts, the hands, and the needs of those who use them daily. We even made them stand out. But we're not stopping there. We keep reaching further, because when you go it alone, reach matters most. Stanley FatMax takes you further, giving you the upper hand when you need more feet.
The grip block from Microjig is an incredibly versatile push block you should be using all over your shop. Features the same green grip material as the gripper, but a lot more of it. In addition to a wider gripping surface, the grip block has 4 smart hooks that engage at the end of the board for added stability and control, while still automatically retracting mid-board to maintain contact with its green grip material. The side of the grip block has a broad 90-degree surface perpendicular to the face, allowing you to use it horizontally and vertically. When they're not needed, the smart hooks can be locked away in a snap. The built-in quarter 20 inserts allow you to add the deflector connector as a chip guard and for added protection while making cuts. Don't just take my word for it. Check out what these fancy pants publications have to say about it. 98% recommended by Handy Woodworker product testers. 5 out of 5 from Wood Magazine. The grip block can replace many of the push blocks you have currently laying around the shop. It has all the features you need in a push block built into a single tool. Microjig has changed the game with its grip block. This puppy has bite. Toss out your shop-made push block because Microjig has taken the basic design and made it 1, 2, 3 times better. Grip block provides unparalleled safety and control all over your shop, like no other push block in the world.
Hi everyone, Rod Bonham here from the Bora product team. Mobility in the shop is a necessity and Bora Tool delivers solutions. Ever need to mobilize something in the shop that's an odd size, like a lathe? Today I want to show you the PM1100 Mobile Base Kit. Supplied as 4 corner brackets with 2 swivel wheels and 2 fixed wheels, plus all the hardware you'll need, the PM1100 requires a plywood base platform to complete the assembly and get you on the move. The kit accommodates platforms up to 1 inch thick, and the total capacity of the base is 400 pounds. Choose your material thickness based on the application and the weight of the items you're mobilizing. The platform-based design allows you to accommodate machines or other heavy objects that are wider, longer, or have an odd footprint. You can also make squares or rectangles. The choice is yours. 2 sets of bolts are included to sandwich your base in the frame. One set suits platforms less than 3/4 of an inch, and the other set accommodates platforms greater than 3/4 of an inch. Finish your assembly of the base and mount your machine. You're ready to go. Using your PM1100 is just as easy. Simply use the metal foot levers to lift or lower your base. Steer your machine away for storage or into position to begin your work. The Bora PM1100 is a great way to mobilize your shop, whether you need a custom solution or simply need to move your workshop machinery. This kit provides custom sizing, easy assembly, proven Bora lifting mechanism, and metal foot levers. The PM1100 is available online and in stores, so go to boratool.com to find a dealer near you.